Are you curious about Brazilian waxing but afraid of the pain? You're not alone. Many people associate Brazilian waxing with extreme discomfort. However, that perception is often exaggerated online. In this video, we'll demystify the actual experience of Brazilian waxing. By the end, you'll know what to expect, allowing you to approach it with confidence. Let's start by clarifying that Brazilian waxing isn't a prolonged experience of pain. The sensation comes in short bursts. Each pull lasts only a few seconds, rather than an ongoing agony. While some areas may be more sensitive due to nerve concentration, others will feel much milder. It's essential to recognize that pain tolerance varies from person to person. Achieving comfort during waxing also depends on your stress and relaxation levels. The better you prepare, the smoother the process. Gentle exfoliation before your appointment helps your skin respond better. Well-hydrated skin is more flexible, which can further ease discomfort. You might also consider avoiding stimulants like caffeine beforehand. This simple adjustment may help reduce sensitivity. Timing your appointment wisely is equally important. Choosing a calm day can make a difference too. The expertise of your waxing professional plays a crucial role. An experienced technician will use proper techniques to minimize discomfort. Slow breathing during the session can significantly help your body stay relaxed. Remember, tension often amplifies discomfort. Communicating during your session is vital. Let your technician know your comfort level. You can also request short breaks if you need them. It's important to feel in control throughout the process. After your Brazilian wax, you'll want to care for your skin properly. Strive for soothing products to calm any irritation. Post-wax, avoid heat and friction on the area to ensure recovery. Wearing loose clothing can further reduce irritation as your skin settles. With consistent care, many find their skin becomes less sensitive over time. In fact, it's common to experience fewer ingrown hairs as you maintain this routine. If discomfort persists beyond the typical response, don't hesitate to seek professional advice. Ultimately, Brazilian waxing can be a valuable choice for personal care. It's all about finding your comfort zone and boosting your confidence. Remember, everyone's experience is unique. By making informed decisions, you empower yourself to enjoy the process. If you found this video insightful, please consider subscribing for more helpful content. Thank you for watching.